Welcome to LeBron Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and fitness essentials. Today we have something special for all fitness lovers, the JANUA Pilates board. Stay tuned as we break down why this game-changing workout tool is a must-have. Ever felt like your fitness goals are slipping away? Maybe you're too busy, or gym fees are burning a hole in your pocket. What if we told you there's a way to get a full-body workout at home, anytime, anywhere? Meet the JANUA Pilates board, a reformer-style workout board designed to sculpt, tone, and strengthen your body from the comfort of your home. This board is a compact powerhouse that gives you the same benefits as an expensive Pilates studio, without the hassle. Here's why you'll love the JANUA Pilates board full-body workout. Engage your core, legs, arms, and back. Compact and portable, perfect for small spaces. Suitable for all levels. Beginner to advanced friendly. Burn calories and build strength. Maximize your fitness potential. Let's take you through a quick step-by-step workout using the JANUA Pilates board. Follow along and feel the burn. Warm up, 5 minutes. Shoulder rolls, side stretches, and deep breathing. Core activation, 5 minutes. Seated twists, plank holds, and leg raises. Lower body strengthening, 5 minutes. Squats, lunges, and glute bridges. Upper body toning, 5 minutes. Resistance arm pulls, chest presses, and tricep extensions. Cool down, 5 minutes. Slow stretching and deep breathing. Wondering where you can use this? The JANUA Pilates board is perfect for home workouts, no more gym fees, outdoor training, stay fit while traveling, office breaks, quick workouts between work hours. Here's what real users are saying about the JANUA Pilates board. I've never felt this strong. My posture and flexibility improved within weeks. I used to hate workouts, but this board made them fun and effective. It's like having a personal Pilates studio at home. Best investment ever. Ready to take your fitness to the next level? Don't wait. Get your JANUA Pilates board today and transform your workouts. Click the link in the description below to grab yours now. Drop a comment below and let us know what's your go-to home workout. Thanks for watching LeBron Reviews. If you love fitness and product reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Don't forget to check the description for the buy link and full blog review.